Okay, so we're going to have a look at doing a very simple if statement. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to type in age equals, and I'm going to choose 70. What I then want to happen is, if the person's over 65, then I want it to say you are a pensioner. And if it not, then I just want it to say you are not a pensioner. So what I need to do is I need to say if age is greater or equal to 65, then I want it to do something. Now when I press enter, you'll notice that the cursor is tabbed across 4 spaces. That needs to be there exactly, otherwise it won't work. So if it is, then I need to print out the sentence that says you are a pensioner. What I can then do is I need to make sure I go back across to the left hand side of the screen, and I need to say else. So if they're not over 65, then I want it to print out you are not a pensioner. So when I run this program now, what I should get is the sentence you are a pensioner, because currently the age is over 75. So if I run that, it will say you are a pensioner. If I change this to be 64 and run the program again, it will say you are not a pensioner. So that's how you do a simple if statement.